thank you so much. That was so nice.
Oh, you're so welcome.
How much do I owe you?
That'll be £30, please.
Of course. Can you pass me my bag?
No problem. Here you are.
Oh, thank you. I don't actually have any cash.
Oh, don't worry. That's old world money. You can pay me in a bank transfer or...
Oh, of course, yeah. I'll do that. I'll do that. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, I don't have anything in my account. I must have sent it all to my crypto card. I get cash back, you know. Would you mind if I pay you in Bitcoin?
Bitcoin? I've heard of that. I'd like to get some myself, I think. Could you tell me a little bit more about it and how I might do that?
Yeah, of course. You go to the App Store and then type in crypto.com and then click on download.
Okay.
Click on open and sign up. And see, they've got cards that you can use, and they've got perks.
Cool.
Well, to sign up, you're going to put in your email address, Claudia, at hotmail.com. Accept the terms and conditions, and then click on continue. And then you'll get a confirmation email. Just click on that email, and then you'll be able to sign into your account. So when you're logged into your account after confirming your email, you go to track. So click on track, and then you can search for whichever coin you want here. But we've got Bitcoin as number one, so you don't. So we're gonna let's pretend Bitcoin is in there. So we're gonna type Bitcoin, and then it will show up. Then click on Bitcoin. Because your account is in pounds, it will show up in pounds.
Mm-hmm.
So what you do is you go to buy Bitcoin, so click on that, and then we're going to buy, say, £30. So you just look at the GBP there. So just going to guess 2. That was too little. No. Kind of have to guess it. Oh, there we go. So 0.001, and let's just put 2 there. So we're going to get £33 of Bitcoin. So then you go to buy Bitcoin and confirm. And then it should go through. Now we've got some Bitcoin. See, in our account we've got some Bitcoin. It's not going to show up here. What you have to do is you have to go out. So go out of all of this, click on accounts. And then if you go to your crypto wallet, and if you click on Bitcoin, you will be able to see you've got Bitcoin in there.
Oh.
You can also buy Bitcoin under Home, Trade, and Buy. And also under the logo, and then Buy. Okay, so if I want to send some Bitcoin to you, so now I'm going to send you some Bitcoin for today's beauty therapy session. So I'm going to go to Transfer, I'm going to go to Withdraw, and then I'm going to go to crypto.com users, because now you're a user too. So it's very easy for me to send some Bitcoin to you.
Wow.
So I'm going to click on crypto.com users, and I'm going to search for you here. Claudia. Okay, and then you'll show up. Click on here, and then I'm going to send you £30, 30, add a note. Have a good day. Okay, just have a good day. I really want you to have a good day. and then send. Then you click send. Come on, send. Sorry, I've got anger issues.
I see. You should definitely come back again for a few more treatments.
Yeah, I definitely will. Thank you. Okay, so confirm. See, It tells you how much, and it tells you from your Bitcoin wallet to Claudia. And the note, have a good day, fee 0. And the total, I'm sending you 0.001067999 BTC. Confirm. And there we go. Your Bitcoin has been sent.
Oh, wow.
Look, you've received the Bitcoin already. That was immediate.
Yeah,
That
amazing.
was straight away.
That was straight away.
Amazing. Let's go to your account and let's see if it's there. Oh, so you've got the £30.
Amazing. That was so easy. Thank you so much for showing me that.
Oh, my pleasure. So anytime you want to buy Bitcoin, now you can just go into your own wallet and press the plus and buy Bitcoin. And you can use your card and you can buy Bitcoin straight from the app. And then just leave it there, let it sit there, and hopefully the price is going to go up and you become rich.
That would be amazing.
Oh, it would. But you don't have to work here anymore.
I like working here.
Oops.
Uh-oh.
And then look for crypto.com.
Cool. I'm just going to say you can probably pick up what's going on in that other room.
Oh! And so when you're logged into your account after confirmation and in order to buy some Bitcoin, you're going to go to what I will do